Hi, my name's Cal-Poly. Who or what, you might ask, is a Cal-Poly? According to the internet, I'm a junior at Cal-Poly Humboldt University. According to the government, I'm an ex-convict and an ex-lifer. How is an ex-lifer on the street, one may ask. 1979, I defended myself from homosexual rape. He died, I got a life sentence. 38 years on my birthday, September 16th, 2017. They screwed around and let me walk out the gate. September 16, 2023, and as of this recording, next week, I'll have been home for 6 years. I'm an art major. Sample of some of the crap that I put out. So that's who I am. What am I? I've often described my life as a roller coaster on steroids with afterburners and rockets. And I keep getting reminded, some dipshit broke the switch on the off button. Stick around. We might have some fun.